Hi. What are you doing? You don't even know. You look important though. Did you bring the fittings for the fuel hose?
You're in the car?
Did you bring the flywheel?
Yeah.
Did I bring the master cylinder? And the booster?
Didn't you?
Did we bring anything tonight?
No. You were on the way out saying we're just going out for a bit of a chat, like we actually were literally just going for a bit of a chat because we didn't bring anything.
We actually brought nothing. Are they the only? They're the only plugs at the back of the TV dash, are they?
I believe so.
I believe I can fly. Woo. No, is it like a yoke for a thing?
Oh?
Is it like a yoke for a fucking thing? The back of a modem, no?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah, but that's GPS.
Okay.
That's GPS. I'm only showing the people.
You don't need it, like, yeah.
So what you do is you put the GPS up in here, look, right? No, just up here, up in.
Oh.
And then every time I need you, I can track you. Where's Cahallo? Chris was at nothing. Bit of tidy work, right? Tidy work, tidy mind, huh? Will I go over the other side?
Yeah.
2 seconds there now. Teamwork, I like it.
Push buttons.
What are they?
Push button.
Is that what it says?
Yeah. Push button.
What the hell is that for?
I don't know, but it's not long enough, so it's probably your start, like.
Ooh.
Or your dash start, like.
That's pretty cool.
That's probably your light on for the dash, like.
Remember, from now on I'm going to narrate what you're doing because you don't have time to talk. Is that okay?
No.
Should I do it in a David Attenborough voice or?
I think you should not do it at all.
But how are we going to know what you're doing? Like I don't, like the public, the Johnny Q public, how is he going to know what you're at?
Why can't you just say, oh, the mic isn't working and so this is what I was doing? Isn't that what people do on YouTube videos? Like,
We have our own style and our own style works.
I'm sorry, the mic was turned off on the camera.
What's it a weird voice?
Huh?
Right, so what you're doing is you are currently running the cables for the coils, yes?
Wires. They're called wires.
Is that a bit of a? Is there a bit of an old thing there? Is there cables, wires, or like whatever? We'll go over here because this guy talks more. What are you doing?
The mic's broken.
Chris, we you know your little lecture that you gave in the last video that you will see tomorrow.
What?
Your little story time about there was a boy 17 and all this kind of shite.
Yeah. You said it was you at the end of it.
Yeah. Is this another one of your homemade crimps?
Yeah.
I would just go and buy a pack of crimps, like.
Yeah, Chris, I would also buy a pack of crimps. My wallet isn't that light.
Listen, they some work.
I was mounting the regulator for the fuel, but Carl took the drill, Chris. So I'm going to buy you for Christmas a new drill.
I got a good drill there. It's I just need to spike the batteries to get it going.
I see you looking at me. Maybe you want me to come over.
I don't.
Damn. I'll leave off your biggest turbo flutter.
That sounds like bloody red rum.
I like this kind of work. I don't like doing it, but I like watching it. How does that make you feel? I think you're really, really impressive and and I really like the way you do things.
Piss off.
And for you, I like the way you make a cup of tea. Cathal.
What's wrong with my tea?
Silly salmon,
I could just-
silly sausage.
I could just video your head.
I could just go like this.
Oh, hi.
My nipples are hard.
What's that?
That's a woman's hair.
No, what's that? What's that?
It's a box.
A box of what?
Treats.
Please open the box of treats. Oh. You had it right open, didn't you? You took out everything and had a
And there's
nose
the
in
price
it.
of it now.
Jesus, eh? So I sent Linda the internals.
Linda.
Linda from CG Clutches. I sent her the internals of the Comline clutch that we bought for no apparent reason, and she sent me back this beautiful performance puck. And then she made.
Yeah, it's coming to make a fortune.
Hey, they gave me free. Did they get anything else free? So thanks to Linda for getting that done so quick, because I think she did it in like a week or something. Did you have a look at this, huh?
No, did you do anything about it?
I think they strengthened it or something. It'll be good for the horsey powers. What else do we get? What else do we get new? So I got this, the sandwich plate for the Barra, which is actually quite hard to get. Do you know that? Do you want to fit that? Just need to give it a bit of
Cross-threading.
yeah. Just need to give it a bit of cross-threadage.
It'll be good.
Yeah, fits in it. No, I hope she clear that. Oh, sugar. You have to put the thing on first, don't you?
Yeah.
Why did you tell me that?
I just want to see you mess up.
There's some ball bag. Hello, I'm Carl. I'll say nothing to Chuck while he's just making ribbons of that. Or do you think we should go with the on there?
Yeah, well, Chris will probably just change it again, so.
Yeah, sure. Leave it kind of semi.
Mint.
Mint.
Another job done, huh?
Yeah, like a glove. I was just going to tell the people, you know, the many people, Cathal, that we're fortunately enough not using this car for round one, so we can kind of take our time. I don't know, I like this new Cathal, but I kind of, you know, he's full of function, but he's not as messy. Like, what's that about? Oh, lad, you're ruining that, yeah?
I'm not ruining it.
Did I mention we're not using this car in a week's time?
Dementia.
Dementia? Yes, I have dementia. Sorry, that's what's wrong with me. I keep... Oh, I don't know what I want to...
I want to give a shout out to someone special in my heart.
Who's that? Chris?
Oh, it's Finbar.
Why?
I won't say a second name, but he knows. He knows who he is.
You know who you are.
I love you, Finbar.
He loves you from back.
My car broke down, Finbar. I need some help with that.
What car, boy?
That was a joke because he's a mechanic.
Oh. I can't get a good angle. How are you going to mark it? Don't go too tight with it either, like, you know?
I'm not going extra there.
And you want to take a nip off that as well, because that's it's
Yeah, it's a
crap.
shot.
Note to self, always tape pipe first.
Seriously.
I don't know if it works then.
Blow into it. Was on with something else?
Yeah.
No.
And here's one we made earlier. Complete. Waste of time. Put it into the vise. Just put a rag around it. It's all piped tonight, isn't it? I said it's all piped tonight. Hey, did you remember last time we were in on it there?
No.
Hello, darkness, my friend.
It wasn't this car, was it?
It's the same car, yeah.
I'm getting caught here.
We actually get this little part, and I don't know, do we get the finished product?
We're done.
Oh, that's nice. Hey, Jan?
Yeah.
Jan, bye. Huh?
Go forward.
We need to come back to the back door, lad.
We don't.
Alright, just watch the in the paint for it. Go away, you know. Put away.
What am I going to? What hole?
No hole, just put away. We've nothing to attach to yet, so we'll leave it alone. Right, whoa, don't go too tight now.
We're heading on, so.
Yeah, right, come on, talk us through what we got done on this episode. Remember now, we had a bit done last week as well, so don't say nothing. We got the wiring done, some wiring done. Chris was busy, as always. The injector wires ran, we need to get the Bosch connectors, you're going to get them, yeah?
Tomorrow, yeah.
Fair play. We got the, this yoke in, what's that called again? Sandwich bed, isn't it? Sandwich. We got all these hoses and filters and pumps and jamboree in, all that kind of stuff, and that's it really. Yeah, so as I've said numerous times, we're not going to be using this car next weekend. We're going to be using another car
that you will find out shortly.
We'll reveal it next week's episode. Either next week's episode or just next week on the social media channels.
One's off it off.
Hey, that's a wrap.
No.
No wrap?
Chris wouldn't like that now.
What about a shout of goodbye?
She doesn't open properly now the way he's had on.
What about a goodbye? Goodbye!
Jesus.